Welcome back Biswa Mitras to one more unboxing video. As you guys know, I have quit comedy and I exclusively unbox things now. But today, I'm stepping up my game. I'm going to exclusively unbox 5G phones today. Yes. Today I have the Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G. Ultra slim and lightweight design, Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G, 5G processor, 5G connectivity vary based on local operator capabilities. This is the Xiaomi 11 Lite NE. So NE stands for new edition. Also, you might notice this is made in India. So let's see what's inside the box. First we have this box, which I'll come to later. Then we have this phone, and it's a new color, guys. And you will see the color before me because I haven't looked at it. So you see it, and then I see it. Wow. This color is called Diamond Dazzle. Phone reviews करके मेरे को बाकी कुछ सीखने को मिले ना मिले. Colors के बारे में बहुत सीख गया हूँ मैं. It's too good. I have not seen this texture in any other phone. This is the kind of phone जिसके ऊपर तुमको कवर चढ़ाने का मन नहीं करता है और ट्रांसपेरेंट कवर चढ़ाने का मन करता है. Depending on your personality, guys. Let's see what else is inside the box. Yeah, of course, the charger. This is a 33-watt fast charger with a USB-C type cable. This charges your phone very fast. Actually, 0 to 50% 20 minutes में हो जाता है. 0 to 100% 58 minutes में हो जाता है. So if you have to be somewhere and you only have an hour, तो हमारा 2 मिनट बच जाएगा. You can enjoy 2 minutes. Phone charge हो गया. Wow. Of course, you have the very useful SIM card removing pin. Very useful, guys. इसको अपने वॉलेट में रख लेना, घुमाना मत. My favorite thing, the phone cover. You buy a phone, inside the phone only the cover is there. Don't have to go and ask store boy, भाई कौन सा कवर सही रहेगा थोड़ा, ये वाला अच्छा रहेगा क्या, वो वाला अच्छा रहेगा. फोन के अंदर कवर. जब सब लोग फोन पे कवर लगाते हैं तो डब्बे में कवर क्यों नहीं आता है. Beautiful cover. Let me put it on the phone only. उसको लगा देते हो and you can still see the texture and it's a transparent cover. Phone is still light. Very nice. We have USB-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter. This is a very nice thing. You go on a trip, everybody has song, but nobody can play it in the car because किसी के पास adapter नहीं है. किसके पास adapter है? तुम्हारे पास. Oh, it's on, guys. We have MIUI 12.5. Yours alone. Very nice. चलो इसको setup कर लेते हैं quickly. Now the first thing you notice about the phone is that it has a very bright and colorful display. It's actually a 10-bit AMOLED display, which is an OLED display. It's a type of OLED display. It can produce more than a billion colors. देखो इसके अंदर कितने सारे कलर है. यहाँ पे येलो, व्हाइट, ऑरेंज. हम ये तीन को पहचानते हैं. बाकी लोग के वो ऑरेंज का दोस्त है ना. ये क्या है, ये येलो का दोस्त है. पर ये डिस्प्ले तुमको दिखाता है कि भाई देख, वो दोस्त को भी इंपॉर्टेंस देता है. समझ लो, इतना सारा कलर इसके अंदर. Now one more great feature this phone has, it supports Dolby Vision. Now Dolby Vision is technology जिसमें colors get enhanced, the blacks become enhanced, so your viewing experience overall becomes much better. And there are a lot of shows on Netflix that have Dolby Vision support. कुछ shows जिसमें कि लोग मास्क पहन के, ऑरेंज कलर का हुडी पहन के, जिनका नाम प्रोफेसर होता है, वैसा कुछ shows अगर तुम देख रहे हो तो उसमें तुम Dolby Vision enable करके देख सकते हो. And the great thing is, this phone uses Netflix certified Dolby Vision. तो अगर Netflix तुम्हारे घर पे आके बोलता है कि भाई सर्टिफिकेट दिखाओ कि फुल एंजॉय कर रहे हो कि नहीं कर रहे. Sir, Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G. Of course I'm enjoying to the fullest. दोस्तों मुद्दे की बात. This is a 5G phone, which means G. This is actually the 5th generation of mobile communication technology. So जैसा तुम लोग को 2G याद है, इसमें कुछ नहीं लोड होता था कभी भी. Nothing ever loaded. But then 3G आया. कुछ लोड होना चालू हो गया. उसके बाद 4G आया. सब कुछ लोड हो गया. वैसे 5G is the next generation. It's much faster. This phone is a truly global 5G phone, which means that इसमें 12 bands of 5G है. Different countries use different bands. This phone, you reach in Spain, you land. Me with your woofer. Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G woofer. Goal. Ronaldinho, Messi, woofer. This phone also supports NFC, which is near field communication. So if you have NFC enabled payment, you can do the payment. If you have NFC enabled devices, you can just start them by tapping them. कोई तरह का payment मांगता है, sir payment, money. Let's talk about the cameras. It has 4 cameras, 3 in the back, 1 in the front. There's a 64 megapixel wide camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 5 megapixel tele macro lens. Front, you have a 20 megapixel front camera. Guys, 20 megapixel front camera. मेरा शक्ल 20 megapixel के लायक क्या guys? I don't know. But मेरे पास फोन तो आ चुका है, तो मैं फोटो तो लूंगा. खुद को देख के. Now this phone can shoot videos in 4K. If you're into any sort of video making, maybe for YouTube or for Instagram, wherever you make it, mode called the Pro mode. Which lets you control a lot of the things about the camera. Like you can control the focus, you can control the ISO, control which lens you want to use. A lot of phones don't give you this control, but with this, you can have complete control. So I'm not exaggerating. You can shoot a movie in 4K with this phone. Friends, that was Pro mode, in which you need to know what is focus, what is aperture, and you need to be able to control it. You're like, bhai, pakao mat. Video shoot karna hai, fatak se. No problem. This phone has 50 plus director modes. Director is you, phone is director modes. It gives you so many features. First of all, let's see movie effects. Okay, there's magic zoom, there's slow shutter, there's time freeze, there's nighttime lapse, parallel world. और क्या चाहिए भाई तुमको? तुम ऐसा क्या ही बना लोगे जो इसमें नहीं हो पाएगा? Now friends, if you're a vlogger, and you are, everybody is a vlogger nowadays. This phone offers you a lot of vlog modes. You know, there's a tipsy mode, there's moments mode. This tipsy mode is great for skyscrapers. Basically, what it does is it gives you a transition from one video to another, and it gives you the music to play behind it. So your job becomes much easier. तुमको 4 घंटा editing software में बैठ के नहीं करना पड़ता है काट के जोड़ना. The phone already has a pre-built mode for that. Makes it so much easier. Guys, there's one more feature on this phone. It's called documents mode. Okay? It like scans your document. Guys, technology has gone too far ahead. Now we're scanning documents with phones and inventing apps to scan those documents better. It's too much for old person like me to handle. There's clone mode, of course. Like मेरे को एक फोटो में मैं 4 बार दिखना चाहिए. No problem, brother. We have you covered. तो बिस्वा मित्रास, अब मैं इस फोन की वजह से टेक इन्फ्लुएंसर के साथ साथ एक डायरेक्टर भी बन चुका हूँ. तो एक्टर्स, म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स एंड अदर्स, please message me on El Instagramo. The CPU of this phone is 40% faster than the previous gen, and the AI on this phone is 123% faster than the previous one. I can demonstrate it. Set an alarm for 9 a.m.
There, your alarm set for tomorrow at 9 a.m.
Doesn't even take a beat.
Back up, guys, back up. Chalo, bhai. So nice working with you, sir. सर अभी पैकअप टाइम हो गया है तो जाना चाहिए आपको. चेयर निकालने का टाइम हो गया है सर.
Well friends, this was the unboxing of Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G. I'll see you in the next one.